Break here, clean up.
Mm-hmm.
And one of the really cool things that they're doing this year, just like they did last season, is $1,000.
Oh, yeah.
It's just not quite as long.
True. But they're like little needles.
On the sideline, and this is the play they call. Remember last year we got a little razzle dazzle.
You just gotta clean all the parts, right? This is my shoe. I stand on the shoe.
There's Marcus Mariota dropping back to pass, looking over the middle and finding his man. Marcus Mariota must love what he sees from this young guy, Jaywan Taylor. Yeah, and watch Jaywan Taylor come from here across the field. Watch the throw, and look at Taylor using his body to shield off the defender. Number 26, Daryl Worley. That for a first play call. And guess what? They get a second. They get to double down now. I wonder if they want to change it now and go for something bigger, or if they're going to stick to what they call the pregame. Maybe they'll go right back to Taylor, because they're still well within the preseason. That rookie out of Western Kentucky has been playing fantastic football so far. And here's Marcus Mariota on the keeper. Mariota wisely gets down. Looks like he picked up right there at about 10 yards, possibly a first down. Gutsy call here. Gutsy call, but they're always going to try and protect Marcus with extra blockers, all right? There's not going to be much naked. Just watch the way he walks for 82. Look at him in front.